mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. At 11 a.m. in Lincoln.
Alright, here we go.
The temperature was 45 degrees, the dew point 27, and the relative humidity 49%. The wind was west at 8 miles.
It's 11:15. They should test you in a minute.
29.77 inches and falling. Across eastern Nebraska, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 40 at Omaha, 44 at Beatrice, 41 at Nebraska City, and 39 at Plattsmouth. Grand Island reported 48, Columbus reported 42, Norfolk reported 43, Fremont reported 44. Here are some observations from across the region.
Oh no, please don't tell me they're gonna do the same thing like they did last week.
And 51 at Valentine. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 40 at Sioux Falls and 45 at Concordia.
Don't tell me they're gonna test again at 11:20.
It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 49 at Denver and 47 at Cheyenne. It was
Are you
cloudy,
kidding me?
with a temperature of 37 at Des Moines and 42 at Kansas City. Once again, at 11 a.m. in Lincoln, it was 45 degrees under sunny skies. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southwest Iowa, west central Iowa, east central Nebraska, northeast Nebraska, and southeast Nebraska. For today and tonight, very strong northwest winds are expected through tonight behind a strong cold front. Gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour or more will be...
Seriously, dude? Here we go. Oh god, this is gonna be extremely loud. I betcha. Shut up! Jeez.
National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm systems are conducted each Wednesday about 11:15 a.m.
By 11:15 a.m. Even though it's 11:17.
Postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. Alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties. Here in eastern Nebraska, southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties of northeast Kansas, and also northwest Missouri, Holt, and Atchison counties. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes that weekly test. We'll now return you to your regular programming.
This concludes that weekly test.
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.
Alright then, there we go. First alert on the grapefruit. Alright, now let's get back to class.